How to split video in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to split video in Canva. So first of all, just simply open the canva.com and you will be landed to the official website of Canva, and after that just simply select the project in which you are working on. So for example, I have selected this particular project and I'm working on this particular video and I want to split it right here. So in order to split this video, you have to toggle this particular timeline bar and you just have to drag and see where you want to make a cut. So for example, I want to make a cut right here, and just place it right there and right click on this particular timeline bar, and after that you will be able to see the option called split page. Just simply click on it and your video will be split into two parts. So this is basically how simple it is to split video in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.